Think you've seen it all? How about the stuff you didn't see? This is the Tony the Series Season 1 Lost Footage.
Hi. Hello.
Well, Walmart.
Because looking swank.
Yes.
Actually, I'm not. But that's cool.
He is.
Hi. You gotta get dog food and shit.
Dog food. Where's dog food?
Wait, I really think dog food's back there.
Was it?
I feel like it's in like its own section. Let's ask somebody.
Where's dog food? Oh. I think I might know. Because, oh yeah, it is. It's over here.
Found it.
Right there where it says dog food.
Is there a really big sign that says dog food, really? Are we completely wrong?
I gotta buy like little cans. I don't know, they sell
Little cans.
little cans here. See leash. There's cans.
We win.
What is that? A gun?
Yes. Canine cannon. Wait. Oh, that's really hard to point. It's like a. Oh, that's dumb. Get some scissors. Got that.
She likes. We're dog food shopping.
Your fingers over your camera.
Oh hey. Didn't even know that.
Oh, Caesars? That's
No.
terrible food.
I know what food she wanted. They don't have it here.
What brand is it?
I forget. Oh.
I know what it is, but they don't have it.
Home 365 or something like that.
What?
I don't know.
What's the brand?
Yeah, it's the brand. They don't have it here. I'll just say they don't have it. I also gotta buy drinks.
I'll just say they don't have it. I didn't really look, but
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they don't have it. Yeah, grandma's dog food. Dog food for grandma.
I don't need grandma's dog food.
But maybe grandma wants dog food.
Or maybe it's in here. Or it's just cat.
That's cat food.
Look, Walmart.
Oh, the Walmart.
We're popular already.
Because I'm the most fabulous. Do you see this hair?
Yeah.
Do you see it? I think you would look good with purple hair. You should do it.
I had purple hair
What?
last year, but it was an accident.
Oh.
I meant to do it red and it went purple. It was a bad time,
Well, I bet the purple was much more fabulous.
probably. I don't even know what I'm doing now. I just want to look around. Oops.
Oops,
Excuse
sorry.
me. Let's go down here.
We're gonna ride by
Danny, say hi.
Hey, do I watch a movie about clowns and
No, I don't. Don't be
Clowns?
mean.
doll clowns?
Oh, it's so fucking.
Hey, you got a text message. Look at you being all popular.
That's my
and
boo.
shit.
That's my... Danny, you just gotta let it go. Just let it go.
Don't yell like that.
I turned 27 this year. So.
Wait, put this on. Put it on. Put it on.
Put it on my head.
Put that
I
on.
turned 26 this year.
Put that on.
Ready for war. Oh God, dang it. Tony, you shit.
That was you.
That's Angel's fault. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh God, this is gonna end badly.
What are we doing? Look, are we like playing a game here? I don't know what we're doing. At Walmart. Got my juice.
The one I want.
Jesus. Shh.
Tag, you're it. Y'all are it now.
I believe I never got tagged.
Is that tagging? Who found you? Who found you?
I never got tagged.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here.
Hold on,
pop.
wait.
Oh my god, we get kicked out.
That's not fair.
I know.
And they're both big. Well,
Alright, we got it.
they can run faster. Wait, there's one more poppers. Actually, I feel like we should go back the other way.
They'll probably
They're
trick
trying
you.
some kind of mind fuck thing.
Go back to the food.
Alright, let's go that way.
No, keep going right, because you can't see over that wall.
Sneak up on him, don't run.
I don't want people to see what we're doing. I don't want to get in trouble.
Like all red. Oh yeah.
Uh-uh.
What's up, y'all? I'm Jimmy Fallon. I host the Tonight Show, and I'm just a pretty little thing, y'all. I think I'm gonna flip a house.
Hi, good morning. What you doing? It's my baby. You one of my babies. You one of my babies. Then you my other baby. You my other baby. You my other baby.
Good.
Pay attention.
Yep.
Oh, you swear to the Bible. Courtroom. Jester. Judge. Lawyer.
You swear!
The jury. The defendant, prosecutor,
Mouth.
witness.
Out of the juror's mouth.
The lawyer. Are you the lawyer? The lawyer. The
The
judge.
defendant. Okay,
Jury. Are you the jury?
defense attorney.
The bailiff. You're throwing up, vomiting. So dumb, what?
Okay, how many words? How many words?
Stenographer.
How many words?
Witness. Lawyer.
2 words. First word?
Was it 2?
Yeah.
First word?
First word, man. First word.
You said it.
Huh?
How am I going to tell you?
Attorney. Bible.
Bible.
Swearing.
Swearing.
Court.
Courthouse.
Courtmouth.
Courtmouth.
Second word.
That's it.
I don't know what you're looking at.
What, Jack? Looking at the person here. Witness. I said witness. Juror.
You're out of time.
Time.
Interrogation. How are you going to get that? Oh. Okay.
Boobs. Boobs.
Flat chested. Small chested.
Little tits. Okay, small boobs. Flat boobs. Big boobs.
Can you think of something? Hurry up.
Oh, when you cut them off? Mastectomy. Double mastectomy.
Flat. No, it has nothing to do with boobs. It's flat. You said a zero.
Breast reduction?
Thank you.
Oh.
What was it?
Breast reduction. I don't know what you're doing. What is that? Hopping. Shots.
Listen.
Bar hopping.
I don't know what that is. Skipping?
Medical.
Bar skipping? Skipping what?
Hopping.
I can't keep hopping.
You're hopping until you're in the bar. Drinking. Drinking.
Put it together, the word.
Bar hop. Drink hop. Hop drink.
Hop.
Drink.
Hot shot. Hot shot.
Hot shot.
Somebody wants to do it. You can't play. You're not playing.
Oh, man.
Hot.
Pour?
You're drunk. Are you drunk?
You're crying out loud. What do you get drunk on? I give up on that one.
Oh, alcohol.
Hopscotch.
Oh, Scott. 2, go.
One word.
It's perverted, isn't it? Yes.
I don't know.
Slut.
Prostitute.
Prostitution.
Prostitution.
That's fine.
That was easy, I guess. Wow.